Howdy, partner. Town Sheriff here, laying down the law on the 15-minute frontier of E-mini S&P 500 futures. In these parts, it's best to be ready for opportunity and keep your stops planted firm. Here's the rundown. Let's jump right into it. Key buy and sell levels, or ranges. Value area, high, VAH, 6,968. The high ridge where the outlaws wait to ambush the wagon train. A break above means the trail is clear. Value area low, VAL, 6,940. The dusty perimeter of the town where the sheriffs have set their final line of defense. Point of control, POC, 6,960. The lively saloon where the most bets were placed during today's shootout. Support zone, 6,921 to 6,940. The Rocky Canyon floor, where the deputies are bunkered down, waiting for reinforcements. Resistance zone, 6,968 to 6,980. The steep cliff face that the cattle drive is struggling to climb under heavy fire. Single prints. Escape paths. Lower, 6,921 to 6,923. An abandoned mine shaft where a quick drop leads to a deeper hole in the ground. Upper, 6,980. A narrow peak where the air is thin and only the bravest riders venture. Market context. Today's standoff shows the outlaws are in control of the town square. Despite a high noon attempt to scale the ridge, the price was bucked off and sent back to the main street. The heavy selling suggests the gang is packing more heat than the lawmen can handle, creating a chaotic trail through the desert. 3-day march through the territory. Day 3, February 6th, POC 6806. High 6,966. Low 6,752. The bulls charged out of the valley like a stampede of bison. Day 2, February 8th, POC 6,971. High 6,978. Low 6,959. The market rested in a high mountain pass, barely moving a muscle. Day 1, February 9th. POC 6,960. High 6,980. Low 6,921. A massive shootout at high noon left the sheriffs retreating to lower ground. Value has climbed the mountain over the week, but the current thin air at 6,980 has the riders feeling dizzy. Acceptance above VAH would crown a new king of the hill, while a failure to hold the town line at 6,940 invites a rotation to the lower tunnels. Volume analysis. Cumulative volume delta, CVD, breakdown. Session open, 4,749 contracts. The morning sun rose on a posse ready for action and full of hope. Intraday peak, buying, 7,085. The sheriffs made their bravest stand at the first bell before the bandits arrived. Current CVD, negative 9,815. Net negative 14,564 from open, meaning the bandits have fired a massive volley of lead to seize control. Intraday low, negative 11,283, the moment the outlaws nearly ran the lawmen entirely out of the county. Interpretation. Aggressive selling delta has dominated the trail today. Any attempt to ride back to the high ridge will require a lot more ammunition from the buyers than we have seen so far. Risk management considerations. Long trades. Entry zone, near VAL, 6,940 to 6,943. Stop loss, below the dusty trail at approximately 6,934, 6 points below VAL, or use average true range, ATR, approximately 10 points below entry. Profit target, initial target at POC, 6,960. Major target at VAH, 6,968. Short trades. Entry zone, on rejection of VAH, 6,968 to 6,972, or a breakdown through the town gates at VAL. Stop loss. Above the high ridge at approximately 6,980 or ATR above entry. Profit target, POC, for first partial, then the canyon floor at 6,921. Position sizing. Use a maximum 1 to 2% account risk per idea, equalized by stop distance. Trail stops to the last defended rock after the first bag of gold is secured. Potential scenarios and trade setups. Scenario A. Acceptance above VAH. The sheriffs find a second wind and charge past the high ridge at 6,968 with enough force to clear the outlaws. Setup. Enter long above 6,968 with stop at 6,960. POC. Target 6,985 plus on a momentum stampede. Scenario B. Rejection at VAH. The outlaws rain, led down from the ridge and slam the price back to the saloon at 6,960. Setup. Short on first failure off 6,968. Stop above 6,975. Target POC, then VAL. Scenario C. Failure at VAL. The sheriffs lose the town square and flee past the 6,940 perimeter. Setup. Short a break below 6,940. Stop above 6,948. Recent shootout high. Target the 6,921 single print area. Scenario D. Value bounce. The posse finds cover at the town line and starts fighting back against the exhausted bandits. Setup. Long at 6,940. Stop at 6,930. Target POC, then VAH. Smash the like and subscribe button. Click the bell to receive content notifications. Remember, the future belongs to the focused. Stay disciplined, stay curious, and as always, trade smart, trade strong, and never stop leveling up. I'll see you in the markets.